today I will explain briefly the answer for the question 1. Ernie wishes to invest 40,000 ringgit in a bank for 5 years. She has the option whether to invest in Bank A or Bank B with a different interest rate. So which one she should choose? For this question, we will use the future value formula, that is S equal to P in bracket 1 plus I closing bracket power of n. For Bank A, we will just transfer the information to the formula. Okay, S equal to 40,000 in brackets 1 plus 0.035 divided by 4 closing bracket power of 20. After we calculated it, we will get RM 47,630 and 59 cents. For Bank B, we will just change in the rate, frequency and the time to 0.04, 12 and 60. And the last answer we will get 48,839 and 86 cents. So Ernie should choose the Bank B because it has a better financial return rather than Bank A. Hi, it's me again, and now I will summarize and explain the answer for the question 2. So the question needs us to find the original principal in the first 5 years. The future value also has been provided, that is RM 10,000 ringgit. The formula for this question is also the same as question 1, that is future value formula, S equal to P in brackets 1 plus I closing bracket power of n. So firstly, we just need to insert the information that has been given to the formula. So the 10,000 equal to P4. P4 means original principal for the last 4 years, and we will use it as a future value for the first 5 years to find the X. So after that, P4 in brackets 1 plus 0.045 divided by 6 in brackets power of 24. After we calculate it, we will get RM 8,358 ringgit and 31 cent. After that, we will transfer to another calculation in the same formula. X in bracket 1 plus 0.03 divided by 4 in brackets again. Power of 20 equals to 8,358 ringgit and 31 cent. After we solve it, the 8,358 ringgit and 31 cent will be divided with 1.1 and so on. So the X will be RM 7,198 ringgit and
Hello everyone. The next question is 3A and B. So 3A need us to find the total interest earned. So to find the total interest earned, we just minus 18,500 minus 1,600, and you will get the answer 2,500 ringgit. So the next question is 3B. 3B is need us to find the value of K. So if we can see the formula future value, K is our in rate. So we just need to apply the formula. So the formula is S equals P bracket 1 plus K divide M and bracket power MT. So our M is 4. It is because if you can see the question, K percent compounded every 3 months. So which means in 12 months he will compound 3 months. So the total is frequency 4. So when you calculate the answer, the final answer should be K equals to 4.87%. That's all. Thank you.
Question number 4. A. Find the monthly payment. A equal to 850,000 minus 180,000 equal to 740,000. So we put that into the formula, which is 740,000 equal to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.046 divided by 12 power by minus 360, and we divided all of that with 0.046 divided by 12. After calculation of those in the bracket on the right, we will get 195.067002. which we will transfer to the left, which we get 742,000 divided by 195.067002. The answer would be RM 3,803.82 cents is the monthly payment. B. Calculate the interest charge, which is I equal to N times R minus A. So we put all the number into the formula, which is 360 times 3,803.82 minus 742,000, which is equal to RM 27,375.20, which is the interest charge. C. Immediately after paying 288 payment, he decided to settle the balance of the loan. Find the balance. The N would be 360 minus 288, which we will get 72, which is the N. We will put that in the formula, which is A equal 3,803.82 bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.046 divided by 12 power by minus 72, which we would divide all of that with 0.046 divided by 12, which we will get RM 23,238,932.73 cents, which is the balance that need to be paid. D. If he fails to pay the first 5 monthly payments, find the amount he has to pay on the 6th payment in order to settle the outstanding areas. All we need to do is S equal to 3,803.82 bracket 1 plus 0.046 divided by 12 power 6 and minus 1, which we would divide all of that again with 0.046 divided by 12, which we would get RM 23,042.76 cents, which is
For question 5,
areas.
Chong buys a smart 4K OLED TV with a cash price of 18,999 ringgit by making a 15% down payment. The remaining balance is financed through a hire purchase agreement with a bank that charges 5.25% per annum, compounded monthly. He agrees to pay equal monthly installment of 488 ringgit to settle the loan in full. The bank requires the loan to be fully repaid, and Chong wants to know exactly how long it will take. So first, we will take the information out of the question. The original price of the TV is 18,999 ringgit, and the down payment is 2,849 ringgit and 85 cents. So the money he loans from the bank is 16,149 ringgit and 15 cents. The I is equals to 0.004375, and the M is equals to 12. The monthly installment is 488 ringgit, and N is equals to 12T. So first, we apply the present value formula, which is A equals to R, 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of negative N over I. So we substitute the values into the formula and rearrange the constant to the left side and leave the variable on the right side. And this will give us 0.855 to 20222.8 equals to 1.00435 to the power of negative 12t. And then we apply log on both sides to bring the exponent down. And only then we can solve for t. And t is equals to 2.985. So we round out the numbers, which would be 3.